Glucose metabolism and transport are regulated by many genetic factors. Two well-studied genetic markers are located in the TCF7L2 and ADRA2A genes. TCF7L2 encodes a transcription factor that controls the expression of multiple genes involved in metabolism. ADRA2A helps to regulate insulin release from the pancreas. Evidence from gene-diet interaction studies suggests that the Mediterranean diet and higher consumption of whole grains may help to maintain glucose homeostasis in people with the TCF7L2 T allele. More research is needed to understand how diet may interact with a common variant in the ADRA2A gene. Regardless of your genetic makeup, staying physically active, eating a whole food-based diet, and maintaining a healthy weight are the most effective ways to support glucose homeostasis. Supplements containing berberine and alpha-lipoic acid may also be considered if additional support is needed.